Alright, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. And this one is labeled Skull and Hat. And it's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. It's got the normal insert. There is the skull and hat. It's actually a top hat. So he's ready for his New Year's celebration. And this one looks like it was made in, looks like D of 15. You can see it's got really good stampings. Bradford, PA. Made in USA. Kind of on a yellow glossy finish. Steel insert. Pretty good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this one. A lit drop test. Okay, the skull in his top hat passed the drop test nicely. Now yellow Zippos are kind of uncommon. I do have a few. Let's take a quick look at a couple of them. Actually, those are all that I have right there. That one on the left, the Beatles Yellow Submarine, is probably the most collectible. There's another Yellow Submarine above it. It's a good one. And the one on the right, the Red John. Smiley face, that's hand painted. Very unique. And those are most of my, or just about all of my yellow Zippos. That John Deere there is a really, I think it's from 2005. Those are hard to get. So that is the yellow skull in his top hat. And yes, this is made in America also, or made in the USA, and definitely deserves cowbell. Knuckle bump.